Hello everyone, welcome to Elliottwave.com YouTube channel. Today is July the 16th and the chart of the day for today is the Dow futures here, YM. 60 minutes time frame. We can see right here the index is rallying as an impulse. We have ended with 1 in the minute degree here, and with 2 pullback ended at 39,448. It has extended higher within the wave 3. Within the wave 3 it subdivides into another 5 waves, and we should be looking to complete the 5 waves up from here pretty soon. It might be complete already, in fact, but it doesn't matter. I mean, it can have a marginal high or it could be finished. The idea is not to be precise in the smallest degree, but the idea is to understand the main view, right? The main view is that as long as we stay above 39,448, later on we should be getting this pullback. Whether now or later, we should be getting this pullback to correct the cycle, right? And that this pullback should find support when we have a completed 3 waves at the next, and usually when the C is equal to the A, right? So at this point we don't know where the wave 2 is going to end until we can actually start seeing the 3 pullback. Okay, so once we can see in the A and the B, then we can somewhat try to measure where the C is going to end, and then that will be in the area where wave 2 should be ending before the next leg higher. So the right side is bullish with the green arrow, up arrow, firmly bullish. And if I zoom out to get an idea where we are now, the Dow obviously made an all-time high, so there is no question what the right side is, right? Nobody should say this is bearish. And you can see after the latest break to new high, this is new all-time high, by the way. You can see the rally from the last low here. This one was clearly only 3 waves here, right? This one was clearly 3 waves, so that means we are not yet complete, right? There is no instrument rallying to new all-time high ending in 3 waves, right? So because the rally must be an impulse. So here we are, even if we measure the extension from the low here, we can see that we have not even reached the 100%. And if this is wave 3, we could in fact be going to 1.618, right? And so we should be looking for further upside in the foreseeable future here. We should be ending at the minimum 5 waves rally from here, which I only see 3 waves so far. Now within this leg, that's when we can get a little bit of adjustment within this leg. For example, if we take a look at the 1 hour, within that leg we are calling 1 and 2 somewhere here. This is your 1 and 2 here, right? But now, okay, so that one is kind of a little bit negotiable, right? In the sense that, okay, the 1 and 2 could be placed somewhere else instead of over there. And for example, we could have been ending 1 and 2 here, right? We could have been ending 1 and 2 instead here. And if that's the case, then the pullback will not be this wave 2 in blue, but rather wave 2 in black. So if that's the case, then the only difference is that if it is doing a wave 2 in black, it will correct this cycle instead of only this cycle. That's the only difference. There could be a minor difference in terms of the pullback, but that really doesn't change the main view at all, that it is firmly bullish. And any kind of pullback, whether it is this smaller degree wave 2 or a little bit bigger degree wave 2 in the minute degree here, any pullback should continue to find support in 3 swing or in 7 swing for further upside against the bullish pivot here, 39,448. all right, so that's the idea over there. And as always, if you want to get more updates, feel free to check our service. We have 14 days trial. The link is in the description of the video. So see you all again next time, and have a nice day, everyone.